Good morning everybody. Myself Vishvendra, the founder of Optimal Success Trajectory. Today I will talk to you about speed of sound in a gas. So Newton first of all gave the Newton formula for finding the speed of sound in a gas, and he said that the speed is equal to root under E upon D, where E is coefficient of elasticity and D is the density. Later on Laplace corrected it and he said that propagation of sound in a medium is an adiabatic process because it's very fast, so it don't have any time to exchange heat with the surroundings. And after all the implementations and all the updations, and after the correctness of the equation, he said that speed of sound is root under gamma p by rho or gamma RT by m, where gamma is the coefficient of adiabatic exponent, p is pressure, rho is density, gamma is adiabatic exponent, T is temperature, R gas constant, M is molecular mass in grams. So if we look for the graphical analysis, we can say that V is proportional to root gamma. So graph will be